this is the final look. I feel like the blood doesn't look as realistic as I wanted it to look, but I ran out of paint, so I had to use lipstick. Also, I would have dripped the blood down all the way, but this is my sister's old prom dress, so I didn't want to ruin it. But I feel like it'll definitely look a little cooler if you drip the blood down. But yeah, that is the final look. I wanted to film this last minute Carrie Halloween look. That's pretty simple and easy. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.